Most people won't hear this in time. But you still can. If life gave you just 3 minutes, what would you do? This is the moment your life begins to shift. It may have already started, quietly. You're not behind. You're not broken. You haven't missed your moment. You're still right on time, even if it doesn't feel like it. You're tired. Exhausted from starting over again and again. Trying to fix everything at once, without ever being shown how. Tell me if this sounds familiar. What's wrong with me? Why can't I stay consistent? Maybe I'm just not meant to change. I used to think those things too. But that's not your truth. That's just the voice of old programming. And there's a part of you that already knows. There's another way forward. That's why you're still here. You've been so busy trying to fix yourself. You forgot you were never broken. You've been starting, stopping, resetting. Trying to change everything at once. And every time it slips, you blame yourself. You think it's a discipline problem. But it never was. It's a strategy problem. You were never shown how to start small and keep going. But you're learning now. And because you're learning, things are already shifting. Here's what changed it for me. I stopped trying to fix everything. I picked one habit. One small action. And I showed up for it, every single day. Even when it felt invisible. Especially when no one was watching. One small promise kept each day. Is like laying a brick. And brick by brick, you rebuild yourself. And when you keep showing up, you stop second guessing. You stop quitting early. You start trusting yourself again. That trust becomes quiet power. It becomes peace. It becomes clarity. You already know motivation isn't coming. You've waited long enough for the perfect time. And it still hasn't shown up. You don't wait to feel ready. You decide to be ready. Right now. And the fact that you're still here, that means something's already shifting in you. So if you've been stuck, this is where it changes. Not tomorrow. Not when life slows down. Now. Start small. Start honestly. But start. Or nothing changes. You deserve better than another year of delay. Every day is a bonus. Charles Odia.